under an umbrella. Don't give him anything.
Candelaria, Quezon.
Ganyan ang panahon, parang
Very sharp. Ito kang manok kami. Yan, zigzag kasi ngayon dyan.
Is that normal?
I have more.
Oh, that's it.
No, it's not it.
Yeah, but I don't want the noise. I just open later. Ooh, pagi. This is the main.
She's a kid.
Ay, puta. Ayan siya, oh. Oh. Oh, napaka-steep. Ayan, oh. Yung babao mo, naku, mana yung babao, yung baba.
Yeah, she's getting it.
Okay. Oh, that's it. We passed it already.
That's it?
The kids assisting all the motorists. That kuripot mo ana, daddy.
Huh?
You cheap.
Only
Give
giving them
more.
Give piso.
Give more.
Mr. Krabs over here.
Kaya po,
I told him piso. He just give piso.
pagbaba
You
na-
told me peso.
Hey, there's nobody there.
You get one. You get one.
Bitukang manok kami.
I don't see you working. You don't get any. Oh, here comes one.
Oh, he has a baby.
You give the baby.
Throw everything, bro. Throw
Oh, give.
Throw everything.
But
Oh, he goes crushed.
Ako. There. Yahoo! Look at this. Very beautiful. Oh, going down. Ito kang manok. Napaka-stiff pala ng zigzag dito. Grabe.
Oh, pag di sana yung driver dito.
Maganda tumigil doon. Kunan mo yung itaas. Tapos pabaw yung
Usually
baba.
po nakakatigil dyan yung mga rider.
Kaya lang ang dami busy eh.
Tsaka nakulan din.
Oh, hindi ka pwedeng umano doon. Mr.
Yung mga rider, mga nakamotor.
Mamaya mamali ka pa ng apak eh. Ano yan? Restaurant yan?
Opo, parang restaurant siya.
Do they live here or do they walk up here?
Labor.
Yan, pababa na po tayo. Meron ulit dyan. For sure.
Na, that's it. We're done.
yeah, open your window. Record out the window. Need more people.
Mayroon pa palang part 2.
I don't have no money. I give it to JJ.
Wait,
I
throw.
threw all the money away.
Sorry.
This close to joining y'all.
Oh, para tayo na sa Baguio oh. Pagi siya oh.
Yan, paggabi po, pag inilawan mo yan, ayan, din yan.
Steep na steep ang zigzag dito. Grabe. Steep na zigzag talaga. Ay, nakaupo lang naman ikaw, Noy.
This guy's in a dangerous spot.
Yeah, but she's just standing there. Oh, but well, that's the job anyway. Stand.
Nyo?
Oh, wow.
Oh, summertime.
Na-miss natin
may
yung-
maliit na roro dyan. Patawid din po ng bayan ng Quezon. Sasakay din ng mga sakyan. Ewan ko kung anong bayan lang ng Quezon ang biyahe niya.